just getting started. Got my eyes on the target. No, no. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. I'll never run. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. They say I'm dangerous 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I won't sit and take it. No.
Apple's new location trackers are called AirTags, and they're a good idea, but they have one fatal flaw. Let me show you. First, I'm going to open the back, take out the battery, and the Apple AirTags come with a Panasonic 2032 battery. And on Apple's website, it says that you can replace this battery after a year or so when it runs out with any 2032 battery. Unfortunately, that's not true. So, Duracell has batteries here with this child-secure bitter coating because many children have died from eating these button-style batteries. So Duracell came up with a cool solution. You look in the back, there's a tiny little coating around the edge of the Duracell battery, which is this bitter coating, and they only put it in the very edge, which is, fine if you're a regular engineer who designs products well. So what Apple did though is this negative battery contact, which is the back of the battery, they put right here inside the AirTag, all the way, like almost against the edge of it. So when you try to use a Duracell battery with an AirTag, it doesn't work, period, which is crazy. So there is one way to make it work, and it's not recommended. So here we go. If you take a really sharp knife, and you start